Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change bed temperature in Cura Slicer. So click on this drop down menu, click on show custom settings, and right here you'll see the material tab, as you can see like this. And if you click on this material tab, you'll see the temperature. So let me find the bed temperature. So it is right here, build plate temperature, and what you'll need to do is basically type 80 or 85 and change that temperature. So basically for PLA, you will need to around 60 to 70. For PETG, you'll need around 80 to, from 70 to 80, and 80 can be a little bit too much. And for other materials, just Google. So, because I don't know. So basically what I'll type, because I'm going to print PG, I will type 75 and click back again. And now my settings for bed temperature are changed. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.